Namaste viewers, I will take you step by step through the teaching learning practices that are common and popular in the early childhood education, and I will also suggest one of the most suitable instructional practice that may be followed to achieve the goals of NEP 2020. I will also give you few practical tips to use in your classroom in my later videos. In this video, I am going to talk about creative curriculum, a very common instructional practice that progressive and aware teachers use in their early childhood classes. I will highlight the core considerations and the principles of creative curriculum practice in the early childhood education. It is for you to take the tips and decide to make a curriculum that suit the need of the early learners. With the introduction of new education policy, it is significant to note that policy makers and the public are now far more aware of the importance of early childhood years in shaping children's future. And in the pursuit of making early learning successful lies three challenges: reducing learning gaps and increasing the achievement of all children, creating improved, better connected education for preschool and elementary children, and recognizing teacher knowledge and education. The best way to help children succeed is to teach them to be creative, confident thinkers, and that means offering them opportunities for hands-on exploration and discovery that help build lifelong critical thinking skills and foster confidence. The creative curriculum for preschool provides teachers with the content and tools needed for encouragement and support of every type of learner, and it will address all the important areas of learning. The creative curriculum environment encourages autonomy and self-control. Children learn to handle their feelings in socially acceptable way. When they are encouraged to make decisions for themselves, children experience a sense of control over their lives. They learn that what they say and what they do is important and influences others. Competence and initiative are fostered in this type of environment. Children learn by doing. They learn by observing what happens when they interact with materials and other people. Young children view the world concretely, and as they mature, their view changes. What they know at any given point of time depends on the first-hand experiences that they have had. And all children learn through active exploration of their environment, beginning in infancy. Children also learn to think as they develop their language by classifying things according to shape, color, size, attributes, etc. This is also a way the children learn to think. Creative curriculum gives teachers an approach to helping children solve their problems by providing each child with information gathering and questioning strategies. Creative curriculum offers guidance to teachers on how to help children develop physical skills that are important for future learning tasks. In creative curriculum, teachers enhance gross motor skill development, providing safe space, equipment, and plenty of time. Also, teachers can set up environment that allow children to develop their fine motor skills such as stringing beads, lining up buttons, etc. Children grow up in families, and families belong to a variety of cultural groups because culture is an integral part of child's life, and it should be an integral part of the curriculum as well. One way to do it is by making the curriculum reflect child's background, experiences, etc. Objectives of creative curriculum: to experience a sense of self-esteem and proud of one's family, background, heritage, cultural group. To exhibit positive attitude towards life by trusting others, participating in classroom activities. To demonstrate cooperative, pro-social behavior by respecting the rights of others and accepting responsibilities. To acquire learning and problem-solving skills. I am proud of me. I am proud of my family. The life is good. People are great. I'll be positive at any rate. Cooperative and respectful I will be. I am proud of my family. I am proud of me. Objectives of creative curriculum: to expand logical thinking skills, to acquire concepts and information leading to fuller understanding, to demonstrate skills in make-believe play and use all senses in learning, to expand verbal communication skills. I can think, I can understand, I can use all my senses, and many words I can expand. Objectives of creative curriculum: to develop foundational reading skills, to acquire foundational writing skills, to acquire foundational numeracy skills, and to enhance gross and fine motor skills. I can read, write and run, you see. I can be what I want to be.